halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, kamstet, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Myntri ka sarkar jilla bapet ya katana jongoka lani ka tourism Timothy di Shira ulong ba ka jingdon jongka Lynti ha mendi petar harilum Garo kalayarap sisa yaki nongrep haka babaro sikata haba kiletcha asam bandi yaki marep jongki kabai kali kadai kabahe hanrei haba wan kalintirel kabai kali katatbha bat kani kalawan ra ya ka jingyo nong yaki ulai thu bagi Paidbah harilum Garo ki Kwah ban Pynbteng biang ya kalentirel sya ki weipat ki benta kum sya bakmara bat syawai namar ba ki yoi bakawanra jingmentoy halor ka kadling sunpat ulaong ba hasilong kakam ban penhe kalasdang bat haki laine sausnam onla ban pendem bat kumjuru harilum Garo ulaong ba ka sorkar katemu ban penhe ya ka kadling sun khanang bakan pensuk ya ki nong jongokai.
There are many benefits. You can just imagine what are the benefits. Say 4 people say they collect these jungle vegetables, say bring it to Guwahati, sell it and go back. Their to and fro journey, the cost of the fare for railway is only 60 rupees. How cheap it is. But if you come by bus, you have to spend 300 rupees.
So it has to be extended into other areas of the state.
Yeah, now other MLAs also, they want the extensions of railway line to their constituency, even to southernmost place like Bakmara. They want a railway connection. Regarding air connectivity, government has taken the initiative step. See, Umroi airport will be extended. And after 2-3 years, I think the big aircraft can land and it can bring more tourists from outside. And then even Garo's budget is also going to be extended. And then with the improvements of communication, you see, now second the bridge over Brahmaputra River at Fulbari, it is under construction. Once it is finished, then it will connect Meghalaya, and it will connect Meghalaya with Mizoram, with Tripura, and other parts of Assam. Even this Manipur also it will be connected.
Reels Kwah ya các tiên là dòng bên đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai kan rồi kan pa buôn kia keren halor ka environment ka saudong sauput saukuan ya ka badai ban penne pensa ya ka jingjangam ha ka kentien khasi niyo ya ka marian na kamarian niyo sa ka Meirilung, Meirisan, Meirilang, Meiramo. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan ni da Kapatisi TV, na kabenta ka jingmentoy Paidbah.